Good afternoon, YouTube. This is my next video on the 1988 Toyota pickup. I've got the engine running right now, and I'm starting to try to diagnose some of the things that need to be repaired or improved on it. I just wanted to show you guys the dipstick and see if I can get any tips on what the oil condition may or may not look like. Ran the engine for a few minutes, pulled the dipstick out, wiped it off, put it back in. And this is what I'm looking at. You can see that there is oil there. It's black. I don't see a lot of debris in it, but it is coming out on one side of the dipstick and not on the other side that actually has the full low indication on it. So I don't know if that's an issue. Again, when I bought the truck, the guy did tell me that there's an engine oil leak, a slow leak somewhere. He did not know where. So I don't know if that's related to this fuel level, but if you got any tips on that, if you could let me know if you've experienced that. And I will say as well that the engine has been running now for a few minutes, but it does kind of sputter, as you can hear it, and the revs have dropped slightly, maybe 20-30% since I cranked it up a few minutes ago. I'll just let you hear it now. So again, any tips or anything I should know before I get into this vehicle would be greatly appreciated. All right, see you guys soon. Thanks.